Hi there, students. A little bit of grammar for a change. Let's see, the verb to be plus an infinitive. So, for example, I am to go to the doctor tomorrow. So, I am to go. This is talking about a future, something in the future that is fixed, it's programmed. The train is to leave at 4 o'clock. Yeah. We are to arrive before night falls. Okay, so we are to arrive, we must arrive before nightfall, or we are programmed to arrive before nightfall. I am to attend a conference in Germany next week. Yeah, the boss says you are to do it now. Okay, here is using a must. So something is programmed. Yeah, and it must happen like that. Okay, you are to do this as quickly as possible. Okay, it's programmed that you do this as quickly as possible. Therefore, you must. Now, look at this also in the past. I was to go to a conference in Germany. Okay, so the boss said I was to go, I had to go to a conference in Germany. It was programmed. Or a different meaning. I was to go to this conference, but this morning they cancelled it. So in the past it was programmed, but it finished. It was cancelled. Notice as well, I was to have gone to a conference in Germany. This is telling us definitely it has been cancelled. I was to have gone, but they cancelled it. Yeah, they cancelled it a couple of days before it happened. So, the bus is to leave at 12:05. This is programmed. When you say this to someone else, you are to do this as soon as possible. This is saying it has been programmed by me. You must. You are to obey the rules at all times. You must obey the rules all the time. So it's programmed. I was to do exactly as I had been told. Okay? They said I had to do what I was told. Yeah, I was to do. This was an obligation. But then also, I was to give a speech tomorrow morning, but the event has been cancelled. So it's something that's not going to happen anymore. And then I was to have given a speech tomorrow. This is saying that it is no longer programmed. Yeah, without the must meaning. Notice as well, this is quite a good construction to use in conditionals. If I am to arrive on time, I must leave now. If I am to do this work well, I need to be prepared. If I am to be the leader of this group, I will require a lot of help. Okay, it works quite nicely with this. And then if I was to be the leader of the group, then I knew I had to have a lot of cooperation. Okay, now notice you can also use this in an inversion. So, were I to be boss, I would do it this way. Notice, were I you, this inversion, were I, it's instead of if, yeah? Were I to be in charge of this, were I needed in this project, I would help as much as I could. Okay, so this were I inversion instead of if. Okay, so to be to do something, I am to go, it's programmed, the bus is to leave. You are to do it like this, you must do it like this. They said I was to do it in that way, I had to. I was to give this explanation on internet, but the internet went down, so I did it in person. I was to do this, but it was cancelled. I was to have arrived early, but I didn't. I arrived late. Yeah? Okay, it was an obligation in the past. I was to go on a trip, but the trip was cancelled. Okay, so here we go. This is the verb to be with an infinitive, and it's quite a useful phrase to use. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To be plus an infinitive.